Alright, we are now looking at 5C.2. Our math doing objective is I can calculate conditional probability by identifying events in a real world situation. So we're still looking at probability, but now we're going to look at a real world situation. In this case, rolling 2 dice. So I'm going to roll, what this table shows is I have my first roll of my die, my second roll, and what's inside here is the sum of both rolls. Okay, so again, remember, sum is adding. So what's inside there is the sum of both of those rolls. So our first one, what is the probability of rolling a sum of 4? That's just the basic probability. The first thing I'm going to do is count my total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. There's 36 total options when I roll 2 dice. The other way you can look at it is I have 6 options here, 6 options here. 6 times 6 is 36. Yeah, that always works that way. Okay? So I have 36 total options. What is the probability of rolling a sum of 4? Well, I'm going to look for where I have 4. I have a 4 here, here, and here. So that's 3 out of 36. Remember, still always reduce your fraction. 3 out of 36 is 1 out of 5. Alright, 2, the probability of a sum of 10. Remember, this P means probability. So, what's the probability of getting a sum of 10? I have 10 here, here, and here. That's nice. It's the same. 3 out of 36, which is 1 out of 5. What is the probability of rolling the sum greater than 6? Okay, so 6 doesn't count. It has to be just greater than. So all my 7s count. So that's what? That's 6. 8 count. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so I have 21 out of 36. Again, 21 out of 36 does reduce to 7 out of 12. Number 4, the probability that the sum is, you get a sum that is not an 8. Sorry, I couldn't read that for some reason. So sum that is not an 8. Okay. The easiest way to do this, instead of thinking about how many sums are 8, I'm just going to count my 8s. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 36 total. Minus 5, 8. I have 31. 31 that are not 8. Okay, so that's where that sum is going to, that's where that's going to come from. 31 out of 36. And 31 out of 36 is not reduced. Or again, you could count everything up that's not 8. Either way. Alright, looking at our next one, number 5. What is the probability that the total of 2 dice will be greater than 2, given that the first die is a 2? Okay? Again, now this is a given. So, I'm going to circle what comes after the given. The first die is a 2. So, I'm going to circle where my first die is a 2. That's all these. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 options if I already know my first die is a 2. How many are greater than 5. Right? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8. That's 3 out of 6, which is 1/2. 6 is also a given. I'm going to circle what comes after the given. First roll was a 4. So, circle where it's a 4. What's the probability of being greater than an 8? Well, the only things greater than 8 are 9 and 10. That's 2 out of 6 of those options, which is 1/3. So something like this is very similar to that the tables we were looking at in target C. I'm going to quickly erase all these circle marks to do the next few problems because I feel like they are going to get confusing. Alright. Number 7. What is the probability that the total of 2 dice will be greater than 7 given that the first die is a 3? So again, first die is a 3 and I want greater than 7. Well, I have 2 numbers that are greater than 7 out of the 6 numbers I can roll when it's greater than 3. So that's 2 out of 6 is 1 out of 3. 8, the probability of greater than 5 given the first roll was a 4. Circling what that first roll was. So first roll was a 4. What is the probability of being greater than 5? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers greater than 5. So that's 5 out of 36. 5 out of 6. Right? 5 out of 6 of those options. Okay, so 5 out of 6, which does not reduce. Right, number 9. Which sum of the dice is most likely? Well, let's look at our die. What happens the most? This line down the middle is what's happening the most. Right? That's the longest line of numbers. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 6 of them. So which one of the dice is most likely? A sum of 7. There's 6 7s out of 36 numbers, or 1 out of 6. Is that probability? Which sum is least likely? Well, if I look here, I only have 1, 2, but I also only have 1, 12. Both of those have the same probability, so they're both the least likely. So 2 a sum of 2 are 12. They both have a probability of 1 out of 30. All right, that is it. Go ahead and work on C2.